In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $900 or more in a day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 1 to 2 hours around your schedule, doing simple things like posting content on social media, just like I'm doing right now, going live, replying to messages, replying to emails, and then just going through some training inside of our community. So that's basically all you got to do. You got to get started. You got to set up your business, plug into the community for training and support, get your first sale in 7 days because we teach you how to do that. And then you're following a 2 hour workday. So basically, all you're doing is posting content, you're going live, you're building your email list. And once people inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan. I used to be a monk for 10 years. That's why I'm known as the seven-figure monk. And I help everyday people, men and women, make money online, hit 6 or 7 figures online without having to work a job. Okay, so 900 a day, that's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. Imagine what that would do for your life. Imagine what that would do for your family's life. You could pay off your debts, you can travel more, you can quit your job, you can do whatever you want to do. You can live a life of total freedom, but you got to start the journey. You got to start the process. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how this business works, and I'm going to show you the community and all the behind the scenes stuff, all the fun stuff. Okay, so let's go into it. Let me share my screen. Well, that's my TikTok page. Okay. Hello, TikTok page. So look, this is a sales funnel. Okay. So here's our business. This is an all-in-one business in a box. You don't have to create anything. Okay. This is the 4 digital products that we sell, right? So it's a turnkey business, all-in-one business in a box. Everything's created for you. You just got to set it up. Okay. So discover how to earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. Tap into a proven system that has helped thousands create multiple streams of passive income without experience, tech skills of following, or even their own product. Yes, you don't have to create your own product because we give you these 4 different digital products here. These programs right here. Okay, the Launchpad, the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, Digital Mastery, and the Legacy Builders program. Okay, these are 4 different digital programs that you get to learn from. Then you can resell for 100% profit. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. Okay. So you're going to get a website that looks like this. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, or if you want to get started, go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Just put in your best email, check your spam, check your junk folders for the word blueprint. And you can reply to my emails at any time, and you can unsubscribe at any time, and you can get started with this business anytime. So when you start this business, we also give you this whole sales funnel, right? So basically, this is page number one. Okay, so people are going to go here. This is your capture page. What you're doing here is like as soon as someone clicks on your link, okay, it's going to take them here. So they're going to put their email in. You're building your email list. You're capturing emails. That's why we call it a capture page. And then it takes them to the next page. Okay. So this is a sales funnel. So this page, this is where they're going to watch a video. The video is doing the selling for you. There's also testimonies on the page, testimonials on the page as well. Okay. So like someone can watch this video, they can click here and it takes them to the website. You see how it works? You see how a sales funnel works? There's another button here. And again, it takes them to the website. Okay. Sales funnel. And then here's another video that we send out in people's emails because we also give you like all these emails to get started with. Okay. We give you 30 emails to get started with, right? So it's gonna this video is going to be sent out in people's emails. So these 2 videos are doing the selling for you, right? This is part of your sales funnel. These 2 videos are doing the selling for you, right? And then it's going to take people to your website, which is here, okay? Now they're going to go here and they're going to purchase one of these products. And every time they purchase a product, you get paid instantly 100% profit. So how would an extra $900 per day change your life? Think about it. How would you feel if you made $900 per day? And what would you be able to do? Like, I started my business because I just wanted freedom. Now, freedom to me just means like having an abundance of money in my bank account so I can travel whenever I want to travel. I love to travel. I love spontaneous trips. I just like, I want to travel. I want to invest money so I have more money. And yeah, I just want to travel and buy whatever I want to buy and just live the life that I want to live. See, when I was working my job, I wasn't living the life that I wanted to live. I was overworked, I was underpaid, and it was a hopeless situation. But this business gave me hope. Now I have hope that I can one day actually live the life that I want to live. Before I had no hope. It was a hopeless life, guys. I don't know. Do you have hope in your life at your job? Like, do you feel like your job is going to be able to create the life that you want? I knew mine wasn't. So here's what the website looks like, right? 50,000 members in our community, $29 million in sales we did in 10 months. Okay. We sold $29 million worth of these products in 10 months. So it's already proven to sell. Like you want to promote something that's already in high demand. Okay. Something that's already proven to sell. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You become a certified reseller of these programs because we have a certification training. Okay. There's testimonies. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. Now, here's my picture. You're going to put your picture here and your bio here. So imagine if you could earn 900 per day with just 2 hours of work from anywhere, freedom to travel, freedom to live life. Okay, build a profitable brand that attracts paying clients automatically. Okay, without having to work a job, right? And then, so there's four different products. So people can go to your website, they'll purchase the 100, the 300, the 600, or the 900, right? And there's also payment plans available for people too. So this is super affordable. Imagine getting your own business for only $100. You get your own business in a box for only $100, and you get access to our community for training and support. You get mentored from 6 and 7 figure income earners inside of our community for only $100. Even at the $100 level, you still get the whole sales funnel. You still get everything, right? But the 900 level, that's the only difference is like if you're at the 100 level, you can only resell the 100, okay? Whatever level you're at, you can only sell that level. So if you're at the 100, you can only sell the 100. If you're at the 300, you get two income streams, 300 and 100. You're at the 600, you get three income streams, okay? So I think I messed that up. Yeah, the 300 you get two income streams, 100 and 300. The 600 you get three income streams, 100, 300, and 600. And the 900 level you get all four income streams, okay? And it shows you what's inside of the product, like what you're going to learn. See, these are educational programs in the e-learning industry. That's what these are. These are information education, okay, training. So it shows people what they're going to learn inside of each of the programs, okay? More testimonies, pictures. Yeah. So this is perfect for you if you want to earn some extra income, you want to work from anywhere, you want a family, flexible, friendly business, you want something that's proven step by step. This is not for you if you're not willing to take action, you're not willing to be coachable, then this is not for you. Basically, you just got to be coachable and you got to be consistent. Show up every single day. Build your business every day. Okay. So that's basically what the website looks like. Again, you can go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can read through this whole website yourself and you can check out the whole sales funnel yourself too. Okay. So also like I said, we give you all these emails. Look, so we give you these emails. So here's your blueprint. That's the first email. So you're going to learn how to do email marketing. Like I didn't know how to do this stuff. I launched my business last year. I didn't know how to do any of this stuff. You learn and earn as you go. So look inside of your emails, right? You have a link. It sends people to a video. Okay. You have another link. It sends people to your website. Okay. That's how email marketing works. Okay. Your links. So you just got to put your links in the emails. You just got to set up all this stuff, which you can set up in like one day. Took me a few hours. And then you're just going to be learning and earning as you go. If you're brand new and you've never done this stuff before, well, there's a learning curve. Maybe it'll take you a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to really understand how things work. But once you understand how things work, it's pretty simple. In my opinion, it's very simple. It's like even a child can do this, in my personal opinion. Okay. So if you want to get started with this program, all you got to do is purchase one of these programs and then you pay $39 for your website. Okay. Like there's payment buttons all over the website. People go here, they purchase a program. And as soon as they purchase the program, you get paid instantly 100% profit. Okay. And then once you purchase your program, you're going to have access to your program. I'm going through a training right now. I'm going through a live training that teaches you how to go live. I'm watching that training right now. Even though I watched it before, I'm watching it again because that's how we promote our business by creating content and going live. Okay. So inside, here's where your products are kept. Once you purchase a program, you're going to get an email and it's going to send you a link to this. Okay. So here's all your products, which is the education, it's the information, it's the training. Your certification training is here. You go through, you watch all the videos, you take notes, you learn. Okay. Then you got your bonuses are here. You get different bonuses like 200 digital product ideas. You get to learn how to do faceless, learn how to use Canva to create content. Okay. Then you get then you go inside of your program, right? You just go inside of your program, whatever program you purchased, you go inside of that program, go to the highest level that you purchased, and just start here. Click here, getting started. It's going to show you how everything works. You just watch everything step by step. It's a step-by-step blueprint. It's a step-by-step process. Okay, one of the first things you got to do is set up your website. Website setup, okay? You got to set up these pages. This is how you get paid. So probably the first thing that you should probably do, right? You know what I'm saying? You should probably set that up first. Okay. So you got to go to GoDaddy. Like we show you how to set everything up. Everything's videos. There's videos and PDFs and everything showing you how to set up these everything. Go to GoDaddy, purchase your domain, get your email. Okay. And then you got to set up your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square. That's how we get paid. Okay, then you gotta connect your domain to your system. So basically you're just watching these videos, you're copying and pasting your information, and then you're gonna have your own online business out there working for you 24/7 so you can make money while you're sleeping, and then you can live a life of freedom. Okay. So after you get your business set up, then you just gotta go here, watch this launch kit for your online business. This is gonna show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So watch that, get your first sale, and then you can go through the rest of the training. Start creating your empire, marketing, social media, discovery method, how to find and attract your ideal customers, mastering storytelling and social media and video content, branding your business, and so much more. Okay. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn. And then you have access to our community, which is the fun part. I love this community because this is where you get your motivation. This is where you get your inspiration. This is where you get bonus trainings. Everything's inside of the community. Okay. Like we have a daily mentoring from a millionaire. Today's topic, your first brand touch on social media. Okay. So you go to the pin post, you see what's going on, and then you go inside. Okay. If you introduce yourself here, introduce yourself, ask questions, post wins, right? And then in the classroom, when you're brand new, go here, getting started training. So start here because this is going to show you like give you another overview of the program and the community and how it works. Okay. Ooh, this is new. 30-day momentum map. This is new. I don't even know what this is. This is a brand new thing. I don't know what this is. Okay. 30-day growth plan. So we're always adding new trainings and stuff, right? Then you can watch the replays here, like social media training, 6 figures in 6 months, all this different trainings and stuff you got here. And then the calendar shows you when we have the live events. So we have a live event on Monday, live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners 2 to 3 times a week. So this is going to show you the live calls. This is where the live events are. And then you can watch the replays too. So that's the community, right? Now, if we go into the win section, let's see the kind of results that people are having. Let's check it out. Okay. I closed. Ooh, so Zoe made $11,000, guys. She's from South Africa. She made $11,000 in July. That's amazing. That's over $200,000 in South Africa rand because this is a global business. Okay. $11,000, guys. So not only can you get customers from any part of the world, okay, you can get customers from any part of the world. You can also do this business from any part of the world and you get paid in American dollars. Okay. So newest sales, she had a $900 sale. Boom. First sale. Boom. Okay. Yeah. So people post all kinds of wins. Like, look, she said, I made my first post. She launched her business and she made her first post. That's the win that she's sharing. And you can see how people interact. Everyone interacts and see people are cheering you on. They're rooting for you. They're loving on you. There's a lot of interaction. This community is kind of like social media, but better. I prefer it because it's social media without all of the drama and the headaches and stuff. Okay. So yeah, I'm just showing you the wins that people are having. Another 5 figure day. Are you kidding me? Victoria. Okay. She made $10,000, guys. She had a $10,000 day. It's wild. Okay. This isn't the first time she's made $10,000 in a day either. So boom. Right. Um, $900 day. Feeling super motivated after making $900 sale today. Okay. There you go. So that's there's 30 posts on each page, and there's 30,000 posts. I mean, there's 30,000 pages of wins, just so you can see the results that people are having. Okay. So, yep. And yeah, that's it. I pretty much showed you everything. So what you got to do, like I said, to get started, you purchase one of these programs, you pay $39 for your website, and then you watch the training to get your first sale in 7 days. You're following the 2 hour workday. You're posting content. You're going live. Like just look at me on TikTok, right? I'm posting content on TikTok. All these different videos I'm posting, talking videos, faceless videos, 7-second videos with words on the screen. We teach you how to do all of this stuff. And then look at me on YouTube, right? I got long videos that I'm posting for my business. Like this video is a long video. I got long videos. I got short videos, all kinds of stuff. Sometimes I'm speaking, sometimes I'm putting words on the screen. Okay. And then also on YouTube, you can do these fun posts where you can do like written posts and pictures. You can put pictures of yourself and, written posts, written copy. So yeah, that's it. That's how you put, that's all I do, guys. That's all I do. So, like for my 2 hour workday, basically all I do is I post 3 pieces of content a day and I go live. So I just create content every single day and I go live. That's it. And that's all you got to do. Right. So if you see an opportunity, if you want to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Put in your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. Okay. You can get started at any time. You can reply to my emails at any time and you can unsubscribe at any time. Make sure to like this video and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's struggling financially, then share this video with them. If you know someone who's working 40 plus hours a week, they have a lack of time or money, share this video with them and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.